National Ski Patrol just approved a cold and cough medicine for patrollers on duty. Sudafed Cold and Cough. Approved because of the way it clears up nasal and chest congestion. Approved because it suppresses coughs and relieves body aches. And most importantly, approved because Sudafed Cold and Cough gives you all this relief with no drowsy side effects. Sudafed Cold and Cough. Strong medicine. No drowsiness. Clears you up without slowing you down.